What's up YouTube, what's up y'all? My name is Robbie Bright Jones and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I'm doing a quick video, and this video is going to be dope background you need for your designs in 2022 part 3. Okay, so today I'm going to use the resources from the graphic design contest episode 11. I'm going to use just the background only. Probably I'll use the image, but then I just want you guys to know what I'm going to use here. Okay, so first of all, I'm not going to make this video as long as I do. This is going to be a very short video. So okay, I'm going to give you guys the resources. That's the background. Every resource that I'm going to use, I'm going to give you guys. I already know you already have it, so but then you just need it. So yeah, first of all, I'm going to drag in my background, and yeah, it's an image of a door with lights in it, something like that. Is it a door? I don't know. So now we have the image in. We're going to rasterize the image, and I'm pretty sure you all know how to rasterize already. Yes, and afterwards we're going to move to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. Then I've already done this, that's why it's at where it is now. So we're going to choose, or we're going to select the one or the preferred level that we want. For me, I'm going to go with 75.5% of pixels. You might prefer to do something like 22, or for me I'm going with 75. Yes, 75. Okay, then click on OK. It's going to load a little bit, and after it's done, lock it. And after you've locked it, we have a textured background here. It's more like a noisy background, gives a little bit of texture to the background. I've dropped it in. It's going to load. So yeah, obviously it will pass through camera roll. So yeah, then scale it up to fill the whole workspace like this. Now click on enter, then go to the blend mode. Click on the blend mode, then select screen. When you select screen, this is what you're going to see. We don't want this, so we're going to reduce the opacity to probably 34, 16, or any one, or like any of the percentages in the opacity that's going to work for you. For me, I'm going with 16. Then afterwards, lock it. So with this is the kind of simple background that you can go in for whenever you're doing something else. If you want to add something, if you want to add like a notch to it, come to the effects panel, go to gradient map, and you can add any color that you want. So with this, you can add any color, like basically any color, deep blue, whatever. I mean, any color can work with this. So let me just choose one of these colors. Let's say we chose this color. Let me click on OK. Then we're going to bring in, I did something here that I think if I add it to the background, is going to make it very cool. So I have creativity is contagious, connect with my logo and everything. So I'm just going to select all of them, right click in the layer side, click on duplicate layers, click on untitled, and select the first one. The first one is what we're working on. So click on OK, and all that you see here is going to be in the first one. So you see we have it here. Yes, so when you look at this, it is very nice to the extent that the background is working in the texture. Let me zoom in so guys can see this. You see the texture is working there, everything is working in its place, and it's so beautiful that even if I take off the gradient map, I'm still going to have this as beautiful as it is. So it depends on what you want. You can decide to make this look as simple as this, or you can decide to add the gradient map to make it more very nicer. Okay, so there's another thing that I prefer to do. Let me just bring in the image of Prophet Benjamin and just shift it somewhere there. So I'm going to place the image on the right side here in the corner like this. Yes, then I'm going to make sure the image is behind the text. So let me just drag the image down that way to where the text starts from. So yeah, this is what I wanted to do, something very simple. Yeah, very simple. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.